Hello friends, welcome to my channel Love to Entertain. Today I will be making a crochet Captain America shield keyring. I have already made one of the face of the keyring with DMC threads and a 1.75mm hook. We will first make the white star. For that, do a magic circle first, followed by a chain 1 to secure it. Now, in the magic circle, perform 9 half double crochets. Now pull the tail to tighten the circle. Now close this circle with a slip stitch into the first half double crochet of the magic circle. Now chain 4 and begin the second round. Now slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, then single crochet in the next chain. Then in the next chain do 1 half double crochet. So you have formed the first point of your star. Then skip one space in the original circle and in the next stitch do the slip stitch. Then make the second point. Begin with chain 4 and repeat as previous. In this way, there will be 5 points in your star. At the end, slip stitch to the beginning and tie off the ends. So, our 5-point star is ready. Now, take the navy blue colored yarn and make a slip knot and insert your hook in it. Then slip stitch in the bottom of your first point star. We will work in the back loop of the stitches. So now chain 3, which is equivalent to a double crochet, Then in the next stitch a half double crochet, and then in the next stitch one single crochet. So you reached the top of the first point. Now work your stitches down the first point in the order one single crochet in the first stitch, followed by one half double crochet, followed by one double crochet. Then in the next two stitches, one half treble crochets each. So you reached again at the bottom of the next point. So begin with a double crochet, followed by a half double crochet, followed by a single crochet as before, and then repeat it down the point in the reverse order. Now remember to work in the back loops of all the stitches, otherwise your star will not be formed correctly. So, in the similar way, complete all the points of your star. Now, close this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the initial chain 3 of this round. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we need the border of red, white, and finally one more red. So let's begin with a red colored yarn. Do a slip knot, insert the hook in it, and do a slip stitch in any of your favorable position. I am doing just at the top of one of the points of my star. Then chain 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch, followed by 7 single crochets in the next 7 stitches. In the next stitch, do 2 single crochets, followed by 7 single crochets in the following 7 stitches. So this is the pattern: 2 single crochets followed by 7 single crochets each, then again 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and repeat it throughout. Now close the circle with a slip stitch, and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we will begin doing the white colored border. So you take the white colored yarn, make a slip knot and then insert it into the hook. Now just do a slip stitch in the stitch just before the first 2 stitches of the previous round, chain 1 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then in the next 4 stitches do 4 single crochets. Then again in the next stitch 2 single crochets, followed by 4 single crochets in the next 4 stitches, and repeat it till the end. At the end, close the circle with a slip stitch followed by chain 1 and then cut your yarn. Now join the 2 faces of the shield with a glue. I have used a fabric glue, and then continue doing the last red border by joining the 2 faces with single crochets. So first we will do slip stitch in any of the 2 loops together and chain 1 to secure it, then single crochet in the same stitch. Then we will do single crochet in each of the stitches of both the faces together to join it and forming the border. We will continue doing this throughout the circle, and when we reach the end we will just do a slip stitch and chain 1 and then slip stitch, and after that we will do 10 chains and then close the loop with a slip stitch. So our keyring is ready. It's a very pretty gift for a Captain America lover. I've also made a Batman keyring and I have already done a video on it, and I will attach the link here in the description box. If you like, you can see that video too. Thank you friends for watching my video till the end. I hope you liked my video. So please hit the like button below, comment in the comment section, and please share my videos. Subscribe to my channel because it's completely free and you can get updates of new videos too. Please hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Thank you very much friends. Have a great day ahead or have a good night.